So let me show you how to enable the touch sensor control panel on the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. So if you want to use this touch sensor control panel to increase volume, reduce volume, move next, previous, and even play and pause, that needs to be enabled in the app. So this is the Sony Sound Connect app. Make sure you install it on your phone and set up your headphones. So you can see mine are already set up. They're right here. So then you want to scroll down and find device settings. Tap on that. And then under device settings, tap on system at the top here. And then under system, you should see touch sensor control panel. So this is where you enable that function. So from now on, whenever you're wearing your headphones, on the right hand side cup, right here, this is a touch controls sensor that you can use to increase volume or to reduce volume by scrolling down, move next, previous, or double tap to play and pause. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.